Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeff, and the team at Wuben sent me their G5 Easy Carry Light for me to unbox and review. And if you've been on YouTube for a while now, they've had dozens of other creators reviewing and going over the little features of this little powerhouse of a flashlight. And so they sent me one to give my opinion on it as well. So go ahead and stay tuned. Again, Wuben did send this product out to me, no cost to me. They just gave it to me for free in exchange for a video. So right on the box, this is not a flashlight. This is the Wuben ECL, Easy Carry Light. This is the G5 model. And it does say that it does come in 400 lumens and up to 65 hours of light and a Type-C charging. So it ranges from, in the white light ranges from 200 to 2 lumens with up to 50 minutes or up to 65 hours of actual use. And then all the RGB lighting and the flash modes come in 10 lumens at varying hour usage there. It says about 82 meters of distance with about 1600, I believe that's candela, and IP68 rating, waterproof rating or water resistance. So there you have it, very, very small, about the size of a Zippo lighter. There's 3 settings for this in the locked, in the on position, and charge ready position here. This is the activating button right here, and the one kind of rotary dial to adjust either the lumen output or the color in the RGB mode. It is adjustable with a head swivel. It can be in the forward position, the up position, or reverse, just like that. And the clip, you have to pull outward, and then you can twist it towards the front, or pull outward again this way, and twist it towards the back. If you have it in this position, you can put it like on your cap, which I should get. I'll be right back. All right, back. If you know where this is from, you're an old head, and you like good movies, but you just put it right on your cap, and you could use it like a headlamp. You can point it down as you're walking, or if you're doing work, you can point it up. That's how I like to use it. Besides that, I've also used it on my weighted vest when I'm kind of rucking or just walking around with some added weight. This is a 40-pound weighted vest, and I've had used it just a few times. This vest doesn't have too many, doesn't have any MOLLE webbing on it, so it doesn't, pretty hard to kind of find a good spot for it. But that's kind of where I found it to work the best. I'll go ahead and put a video of me walking with it on at night, just to show you how bright it gets. I wanted to go over a little bit of the functionality of the different light modes. If you just click the button once, it should be set to the white light mode. And from here, I already set it. Let's go, there you go. This is set to the very lowest lumen output, which should be about 2 lumens. And then there should be about 8 to 9 steps of increased lumen output. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then it blinks. So that means you reach the maximum light output there, about 400. Let's go back the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So about 8 or 9 steps of output there. And if you just hold from the white light, it switches to the RGB mode. So from red, let's go back the other way. Yellow, green, blue, light blue, dark blue, pink, and back to red there. I think that was like a pinkish purple there. Pretty much all purple. And if you go double click it, it'll go into the strobe mode for whatever color you're at. So let's go back to regular RGB. Let's say we want to go have it beacon at green. It's about right there, double click. And it'll just kind of flash there. From the off position, you can double click and it'll flash 2 different colors. This one is in the red and yellow, Let's see. Double click again, red and blue, and red and green. So those are all the different kind of light modes available with this Wuben G5 ESL or ECL, Easy Carry Light, for only $20. So I think this is a really, really good deal. If not for yourself, maybe a gift for your partner, your friend, anybody that likes pretty much tools or lights in general. Gift for anybody. Very nice metal construction, feels very durable, kind of like a Zippo lighter size. Just throw it around in your pocket, throw it around in your bag, throw it in your car, throw it everywhere. For 20 bucks, you can't really beat this price with all the features it has. So for the price of only $20 on Amazon or on their website, I do feel like this is a feature-rich kind of little EDC flashlight that you just throw around anywhere, put it in your car, put it in your pocket, put it in your bag, kind of light your way through any kind of situations, find some stuff that you might have lost in the car, which I always do. And it does have a little magnetic, or a little magnet on the bottom here, which you can attach to like on the bottom of the hood of your car if you're working on your car, or anywhere that's metal, you just need some extra lighting and you need an extra hand. It's not the strongest of magnets, but it does work. It holds it up pretty well. This is the Wuben G5 ECL Easy Carry Light. Go ahead and check it out. If you have anyone in the family that likes a nice tool or an early birthday or Christmas gift, go ahead and get them one of these.